Welcome to the CappThesis YouTube channel. I'm Frank Cappelleri, founder and president of CappThesis, where we provide technical market commentary and trade ideas to financial institutions, financial advisors, and private investors. Here on YouTube, we talk a lot about the major indices. We do this on long form and also shorts. Just by scrolling through the YouTube channel here, you'll see all the different pieces that we've put out over the last few months. And I really urge you to subscribe because we keep this analysis current. So you want to be notified anytime we put out a new piece of content. If you want to take it a step further, you can visit CappThesis.com and subscribe to our free newsletter, Cap Notes, and also check out all of our premium content where we dive much deeper into the analysis of the markets, including providing actionable trade ideas, both from an ETF and stock basis every single day. And we're also on all the social network platforms. You can find all the links in the About section, LinkedIn, X, Instagram. Check us out. We'd love to connect with you there. Thanks a lot for stopping by, and talk to you again soon.